हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी ज़ूलॉजी। और आज का हमारा टॉपिक है पर्ल कल्चर। ये टॉपिक एमएससी थर्ड और फोर्थ सेम दोनों के सिलेबस में पूछा जाता है। स्टार्ट करते हैं इसके इंट्रोडक्शन से। ए लार्ज नंबर ऑफ मोलस्क आर फाउंड ऑन द अर्थ एंड आर यूज्ड फॉर फूड, फॉर सेल्स एंड इन पर्ल इंडस्ट्रीज। Pearl is a white, highly shiny, globular construction found within the cells of a pearl oyster. It is also called as moti or muktafal and has been reputed as one of the rarest gems. History of pearl industry. For the first time, the idea of pearl industry was evoked in Japan. Kokichi Mikimoto is referred to be the father of pearl industry in Japan. In 1890, he established a pearl farm on small island of Toba and began to culture oysters, but could not get success for 2 years. In the third year, due to a red tide, his farm was destroyed completely except for a patch of some oysters which survived. On 11th July 1893, his wife Uma, when opened an oyster shell, she found a pearl duly formed in it. Then in 1896, he got a patent for pearl culture. Tokichi Nishikawa, a government scientist of Misaki Marine Biological Laboratory of Tokyo University, was the first person to get spherical artificial pearl. Some pearl producing mollusks are high quality of pearls are obtained from pearl oysters of genus Pinctada, belonging to class Bivalvia, family Pteridae. A number of species of this genus like Pinctada vulgaris, Pinctada chemnitzi, Pinctada margaritifera, Pinctada anomioides, Pinctada fucata, Pinctada atropurpura are found in Indian water resources. Sea mussels and windowpane oysters, also called Plecum placenta, Pinctada margaritifera and Pinctada maxima are giant species and produce pearl of bigger size but of inferior quality. Pearl producing sites in India. Mostly the pearl oysters are inhabited on the ridges of rocks or dead corals. The pearl oyster beds of the east coast are most extensive and productive than those of west coast. The pearl bed produce best quality of pearl called as linga pearl. The pearl oysters are obtained from the reefs in the Gulfs of Mannar, Gulfs of Kutch, Palk Bay and Baroda. Pearl formation. The pearl oyster produce pearl as an adaptation against outside material. When a foreign material such as sand, grain or a parasite enters the body, it adheres with the mantle. The mantle epithelium at once grows over the material in the form of a sac and encloses it. This mantle epithelium starts secreting concentric layer of nacre around the foreign material. The completed structure is called pearl. Culture of pearl. The culture of pearl is a complex but sensitive process. This involves the following steps. First step is collection of oysters. Oyster for pearl culture are obtained by three methods. They are as follows. Pearl oysters are collected from the bottom of the sea. Spats or young oysters are collected by placing cages in spat falling areas of the sea. In the laboratory, eggs of pearl oysters are fertilized and young ones are obtained. Second step is preparation of graft tissue. The piece of tissue which is inserted into oyster is called graft tissue. This is cut off from the mantle of another oyster. The graft must be in the form of a square of 2 into 2 mm in size. Third step is preparation of nucleus. The nucleus is a foreign material which is inserted into oyster. It is in the form of 2 mm in diameter. It is prepared from the cell of mollusk. Fourth step is implantation. The oyster is placed on a table. The foot is exposed. A small incision is made on the foot. On this incision, the graft tissue is placed. The nucleus is placed on the tissue. Then the oysters are released in cages. The entire operation should be completed in 30 minutes. Fifth step is rearing of oysters. The operated oysters are placed in cages and the cages are suspended from the rafts in the sea. This type of culturing oyster is called as raft culture. Sixth step is harvesting. Pearl attain their maximum size in 3 years. After 3 years, the oysters are removed from cages and pearl is taken out. Chemically, pearl is made of calcium carbonate and conchiolin. Quality of pearl. Pearl obtained are of variable shapes and size. They may be white or cream red or pink red in color. The spherical pearl of rainbow color are rarely found. The best quality of pearl is called linga pearl, obtained from marine oysters. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड शेयर दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल. थैंक यू.